This video will demonstrate how to compute cutoff scores using the normal distribution. The example that is given states the following. Assume that the average price of a two-bedroom condominium in Pasadena is $540,000 with a standard deviation of $28,000. If a realtor in the area wishes to determine the middle 60% of prices of two-bedroom condominiums in Pasadena, assuming that the distribution is normal, this informs us that we are allowed to use the normal distribution to solve the problem. Then, compute the cutoff scores. First of all, let's identify the mean. The mean is 540,000. Next, we identify standard deviation 28,000. And when the middle 60% is stated, that informs us to take the percentage, divide by 2, to compute 30% or 0.3. That means we measure off an area of 0.3 to the left and to the right of the mean. The mean is located at the center. It is 540,000. We have two cutoff scores. These are the limits of the area. So we have the lower cutoff score, which is represented as X sub L. We have the upper cutoff score, which is represented as X sub U. We have to determine these two cutoff scores. To determine these scores, we apply the formula X is equal to mu plus Z sigma. We have mu, we have sigma, we need Z. So we have to find the Z values. To find the Z values, we need to use the given areas. And if we recall, using table E, we need the area to the left. So we have a corresponding Z value that aligns with X sub L. We need to find this area to the left of X sub L. That will help us determine the Z value. So to find this area, since we're focusing on the left side of the mean, that whole area on the left side of the mean is 0.5. So 0.5 minus 0.3 is 0.2, and that is what this tail area is equal to. It's equal to 0.2. We now turn to table E. Since we're focused on the left side, we will be looking for a negative Z value. The Z values, recall, are on the outskirts of the table. We have to look on the inside of the table for the area that's closest to 0.2. It turns out that the area that's closest to 0.2 is 0.2005. So if we look to the left, we have negative 0.8, and if we look up, 0.04, that is the Z value. It is negative 0.84. To find the positive Z value, we take advantage of symmetry. The normal distribution is symmetric. So if we have an area to the left that's 0.3 and a negative 0.84 Z value that's identified with it, that means on the right side we have, if we measure off another 0.3 area, the Z value on the right side will be positive 0.84. So we don't have to look up this entire area in table E. We just use symmetry to find the right Z value, provided that these two areas are equal, which they are. Now we can use these Z values, the mean and the standard deviation, to compute the cutoff scores. The lower cutoff score is the mean, 540,000, plus the Z value, negative 0.84, times 28,000. When this is computed, it is 516,480. The upper cutoff score, X sub U, is the mean, 540,000, plus the Z value, positive 0.84, times 28,000. is $563,520. We're now ready to answer the question. The range of prices for the middle 60% of the market is from $516,480 to $563,520. Thanks for watching the video.